In this video, I'm going to show you how to record on Cakewalk Sonar. Now, the first thing you have to do, of course, you want to open the application. You want to go to the top left, click on File, and you want to open an existing or a new project, okay? Now, whenever you've done this, you can then see this is going to be kind of your interface over here. And to record, you first want to go and create a new track. So I'm going to go to Insert up top, and I'm going to click on Audio Track. You could also press Ctrl+T to do this, but I'm just going to click on up here. And there we go, we have my audio track over here, which you can also extend. Now, the next important thing here is going to be to actually use the correct microphone you want to use for your recording. So I'm going to go to over here where it says none. I'm going to click on it, and I'm going to switch over to my Yeti stereo microphone, which is the one that's been recognized in my list over here. So I'm just going to click on this one over here, and then I'm going to select this one over here, okay? That's going to enable my microphone just like this. And from here, of course, you can go and select kind of your speakers and stuff like that. So this is the I for input and O for output. I'm just gonna go and use these speakers over here, and that's going to be it, okay? Now, from here, what you have to do is record enable this track. So right now it's off, as you can see, and if you click on it like this, it's going to kind of shine, and it says record is on, and that's basically the most important thing. Now you want to position yourself here in your timeline, and you want to click on this record button over here, or press R on your keyboard, and when you do this, it's going to start recording, and as you can see over here, it's actually recording my audio. Now when you're done, hit this record button again, or of course just stop it, and you'll see that your recorded audio is now going to be in here. So if I play this, and when you do this, it's going to start recording, you can hear that, of course, it's now basically recorded, of course, inside Cakewalk Sonar. So that's how to do this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.